Hello guys, welcome to Logic's Hub. Can you find the value of this expression? If you are talented, then solve this question in just 35 seconds. But if you are a student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, then in this video I can solve this question step by step. So do not skip this video and kindly subscribe to my channel. Guys, according to PEMDAS rule, where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for addition, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Guys, remember that parentheses have higher priority than other operation. Also, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. But guys, remember that multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So here in this case, firstly we can solve multiplication, because now in PEMDAS we can say that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. So 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9 minus 3 divided by 3. Here guys, division have higher priority than subtraction. So 9 minus 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment, I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of math challenge.